here's the deal. I'm posting this shovel head frame up for sale right now. And yeah, I could just take a picture of it, maybe even just a video, and be like, hey, shovel head frame, no title, for sale. But we're not doing that. So I'm gonna tail drop off that shovel head frame into that ramp. Try not to die, hopefully sell it. Let's see what we can do. Hell yeah. Shovel head frame for sale. 450 bucks, no title. Let's go ahead. So, let's cover everything up. Again, never actually done this before on frame. I normally used pallets, which if anybody's ever done it before, understands that could be a little pricey. Stuff is selling, guys. Keep buying stuff, man. That is super cool. Alright, so what I'm doing first is I'm going to wrap this up cardboard, and then I'm going to collapse it and then wrap it up again. Called on a favor, I'm not a favor, I called on some help. My buddy Corey over at MSN Cycle has done this before, like this, and hit him up for a little bit of insight. He was saying, measured it this way, and it made it more expensive, and he got money back from them because you're technically supposed to measure it this way. I don't know. We will try. Me, I'm just more interested in this thing getting to the guy. I also looked up on the internet and seen people actually had their frames lost. So we're gonna have to get insurance on this thing, which is cool. Cool insurance. I'm gonna use a whole bunch of tape because I'm known to overpack things, and I'd rather be known to overpack things than to be known for underpacking things. Let's do it. I'm gonna wrap this up, and I'm gonna saran wrap the hell out of it. Cardboard's pretty safe and pretty strong. So. We'll wrap that up. All the potential points. So I'm going to leave this open so they can grab it. And I'm going to leave this open so they can grab it. I don't know. We'll get there in a second. This thing's ready to rock, brother. I'm going to wrap all this in cardboard, and then I'm going to saran wrap the entire frame. One, just so I don't really feel like cleaning the frame, so I feel like this can kind of keep all that nastiness in there. Two, I think it'll just work a little better. Pretty sure blanket wrap these. I don't know if that's gonna make much of a difference, but might as well. Reload the plate, brother. Does anybody watch the UFC? I watch Hamzat Chimaev beat Dricus Duplessis this weekend. It's pretty freaking interesting. I don't know what them boys are gonna do about that guy. Tell you what, definitely want to see that guy in your bracket. Surprise! People see that, see somebody like Hamzat or like, you know, Islam, Khabib, those guys. I'm surprised. I'm genuinely surprised that people see that and are like, all right, let's go hit miss. Like, crazy. You need to go sprawl, brother. You need to go do some freaking wrestling. Put the label here, and I'm gonna put a backup one probably here on the inside, and then I don't know. I think let's take it from there. Let's bust out that saran wrap, if you don't mind. I have here somewhere. I use the saran wrap when I ship motors and stuff out of the country. But now lately, when the things go out of the country, they want it completely crated, so I don't necessarily saran wrap too much anymore. Which is fine. Oh, look at that, dude. I'm so freaking smart. Let's wipe that off. I know this probably can't get hurt, but I won't kill you to put some freaking cardboard on the bottom. Won't hurt. Just do it. Sometimes doing things and like with packing, going a little extra for something so the customer sees that you're kind of willing to go extra for something has helped me. And again, I don't really do this. Isn't really a cash grab for me. I legitimately do this for this is like my hobby as well. I do this for fun. If I wasn't making money, I'd still be buying and selling bikes. Buying and selling parts, I'd probably just sell a lot less bikes. If I didn't need to sell the bikes, I'd hold on to every one of these freaking motorcycles. It'd be such a problem. Such a problem. You know what? It's a good problem. It's my kind of problem. Go wrap that there, right there. I knew as soon as I got this tape down in my hand, I would go a little too trigger happy with it, and I would just tape it in. Ooh, I can tape this. I don't know what it is. People are like, oh, dude, you're buying some motorcycles, that is so cool. I am literally just an order fulfiller. I just fulfill orders all day long. I barely get to play with the motorcycle. Alright, that's cool as hell. Alright, cool. So now that we over cardboarded, we're fine. Cardboard on the bottom ain't gonna hurt nobody. One more. Can't help myself. I'm sorry. Alright. We're done with the cardboard. Saran wrap time. Guess I'm going around the whole thing. We'll do one of these over the top. Whole thing so this doesn't fray and do anything crazy, but other than that, this thing is good to go. So let's see how much it weighs. Second, my guess would be 60 pounds. 64.3, so we're gonna label this at 65 pounds. Cool. Measure it like here, that being the top, and it's a regular box. Then tape it a bunch. Cool. Lengthwise, we are looking at 43 pounds times. So if we did it like this, it'd be 31, but if we did it like this, it'd be 25. So 25. 5 times lightest point on this thing. We're gonna go ahead and put 12 to be safe. By 12. All right, cool. Let's see what pirate ship has to say about that. All right, here we are. Label taped to the saran wrap. I put an extra label in there. Everything's cardboard boxed and taped. What do you think? You think it's gonna make it? Hope so.